Hello and welcome. This is a kind of a midweek update, but it's kind of not. Um, I'm doing this because I didn't get to a video last weekend, and I'm going to have to kind of crunch down tonight's update for website members. Forgive me. I'm sorry. It's just family matters. You guys on the website know what's going on. So I decided I'll do a video and I will do update the charts again as usual tonight. I won't be able to put in the same time that I usually do. Okay. So anyway, apart from that, I hope you're all well. Thank you for clicking on, and here is the kind of let's say Thursday afternoon evening update for GMT time anyway. I think it's only afternoon over there in the US, well, East Coast. So this is your afternoon update if you're in the East Coast. There's a lot of flooding over in New York. I pray you guys are okay. Um, there's a whole lot of crap going on everywhere, so I hope all of you are okay. Really, that's sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Okay, let us. I'm just going to check. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Sorry. Let's let's get on. As usual, the professional. You're always amazed by the professionality or the professional nature of my videos. I'm never going to change that, by the way. Okay, here we go. This is Euro dollar 4 hour. I'm thinking of kind of, like I said last night, upping the ante on this wave E here. I'm counting it at 1 degree lower on the hourly count. So I may have to, because this expected rally, but this rally is extending towards the previous fourth wave. I think at this moment in time, when you look at it on the 4 hour chart here, it looks like this should probably be counted as wave A of E. So I think we'll probably update that on tonight's update or on tonight's charts. Here we go for this is the hourly chart here. You can see here that we just keep popping to a new high. So I had thought last night, well, maybe it's an extended third wave of wave C. But today, well, still you could probably still count this as wave 5 of C, and that doesn't violate anything. It just at this moment in time, it looks like the rally off the recent low is big enough to probably step it up by 1 degree. So we could probably go, to wave A there without much in the way of problems. So anyway, I think that's probably what I'll do tonight. So even if that's the case, we'll go back to the 4 hour chart here. We're still expecting a 3-wave pattern up, so still expecting wave A to top out, a decline, probably back towards 118 or 117.50, let's say, in wave B, and then a rally again in wave C. I'm looking upwards at around 120, I think, for this ABC rally to complete. At that point, we will have a complete pattern in wave B, and I will look for a return lower again in euro dollar. Okay, so let us move on. That's euro dollar. Here's move on to cable. So here we are in pound dollar. This is a 4 hour chart. So the account was calling for a larger wave 2. I haven't updated the chart in a few days, so forgive me as I do that. So we're looking at 5 waves down in wave 1. Probably some sort of a flat correction wave 2, and that's what I'm working with on the hourly chart. You can see that here. Here is a wave A. Oh no, that's wrong hourly chart. Here is pound dollar 4 hour, or sorry, pound dollar hourly chart. I've got to keep these labels in. Okay, so I'm looking for a 5-wave rally in wave C. You can see I've kind of charted a path for that. We've kind of spiked higher again today. Cannot confirm wave 3 really yet, even though we're looking quite good at the moment for this third wave rally. We'll see how it goes. We've got wave 1 and 2 in place. It looks like we're extending higher in wave 3, and we should probably push above towards 139 anyway as that completes. And the wave 4 and 5 should come. We should break 139.80 in to complete wave C. And then I would look for a reversal lower as wave 2 is done down into wave 3. Okay, so dollar yen is a little bit more complicated, a little bit more nuanced, a little bit more annoying. But in general, I think the upside is favored. Even if we do get another spike lower, I think the upside is favored over the next couple of months anyway, probably towards Christmas, as we get a third wave rally. This can still be counted as wave 1 and 2 of that third wave rally, but the action over the last few days has been, it's been hard to read as, let's say, an extension pattern higher. We'll see how that um, plays out. We'll go down to the hourly count and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Well, we first of all, we could still have wave 2 underway, so I can't rule that out at all. And obviously, we have to hold above that recent low there, that 108.70 low, for that that larger wave 2 count to disappear from our viewpoint at the moment. I do like the fact that we have a 5-wave pattern higher and what seems to be at least a 3-wave pattern lower. Now, at a lower degree, we may even have a larger wave 1 and 2 underway, but the price will have to hold above 108.76 for that to remain valid. Okay, so let's get to the hourly count here. So here is the wave 2 low. Here's the 5-wave pattern higher, wave 1, ABC down, wave 2. Now, the alternate on that one might be some sort of an ongoing B wave here. It definitely looks like a bit of a mess. I'll grant you that. I can't really. We've just gone sideways today, so I can't really call anything on it, to be honest. Maybe I should just keep my mouth shut for the moment. I think if this lower degree wave 2 here in pink, if that 109.58 low holds and we break higher above 110.41 again, especially 110.79, then I think we'll probably be able to confirm a third wave. But we still have that possibility of a larger wave 2 in green coming our way. If that's the case, the price will have to hold above 108.71. If we break 108.71, then this wave 2 in red here is still in force. So, there's kind of, it's conflicting. The action hasn't given me much to go on, and the wave counts are a little bit conflicting. We still have these two alternates for second waves still in play. So I'm just looking for some confirming price action either way. I don't really care where it comes. If we break 109.58, then we'll just prepare for a larger second wave. That's pretty much how that goes. Okay, here is the Dow, 4-hour Dow. I'll show you this final fifth wave here. Actually, I'll show you the wave 5 in blue. We've got wave 1, wave 2 into the January lows, and then we've got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the May highs, and then we've got an A, B, C down into wave 4, and that's the June lows. And then off the June lows, we've been working higher in an ending diagonal. I have been working with the kind of scenario of an ending diagonal for at least 6 months now. It's kind of morphed again into an ending diagonal at a lower degree. It's kind of as you can see, we've got slowing momentum definitely since last March on the 4-hour count here, which is not a good sign. Let me tell you, brothers and sisters, it's not a good sign. Can we pop higher? I actually think in the short term we probably will pop higher to complete this fifth wave in blue here. But this ending diagonal is a pretty strong pattern right now, and I am not ruling it out at all whatsoever. So if you've got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the range is narrowing. We're climbing higher, but the range is narrowing. The momentum's falling. Internal 3-wave patterns the whole way up. You can see over the last couple of weeks we've just kind of gone sideways at close to all-time highs. Let's go into the hourly count here. You can see that wave 3 and 4 pattern in play and wave 5 underway. So we've got 5 waves up in wave A, got 3 waves down in wave B, and then we've got wave 1, 2, We're running higher again today in wave 3. If this wave 3 of C is correct, then we should break out to a new high, probably, if not today, tomorrow anyway. We'll continue higher to complete 5 waves up in wave C. The upper trend line, or the upper line of this ending diagonal, will come in. Well, gosh, could we make it up to 36,000? Who bloody knows at this point? Quite possible. Suffice to say, this pattern is a terminal pattern, and you know where my heart is on that one. So, if we're heading into total, complete societal collapse and worldwide one world government and the disappearance of the Christian church and complete and utter chaos and the days of Revelation unfolding before your eyes, well, then this is wave C of 5, and then goodbye, sayonara. Goes down the markets is not going to be here anymore. Okay, I think that's yeah, I've covered all of human history there, so let's move on. This is gold. I'm kind of tentatively getting pretty bullish here. If you can still end up buying gold in a few months' time, who knows? I don't shut that down completely as well. So if we got wave 4 in, we did make the minimum kind of low for wave C of 4, and we have broken higher quite impulsively, and we haven't corrected in any significant manner since breaking higher. So go to the hourly count there. You can see that we've got a possible 1 and expanded flat wave 2. Today's trade has kind of dropped, not particularly impulsively. I'm looking at this kind of slight wedge here within this alternate scenario here for wave 1 in blue. So we might have a wave 1, 2 in green, and then maybe a 1, 2 in blue. If that's the case, price will hold above 1779, and we'll rally in a third of a third of a third. If this alternate count is not the case, then we will break down to a larger second wave C of 2. Could fall towards 1750 again, but a minimum would break 1779. If we break 1779, I think if we start finding a low between 1779 and 1750, I think it's time to get the wallet out, okay? Because wave 3 could come in pretty soon. Okay, move on. Go to crude oil. We broke higher in crude oil today. I think wave 3 could be underway, so this could be wave 3 of 5. I'll update the charts again tonight, but I was looking for this larger, much like gold, I was looking for this larger second wave in blue there, but we've spiked higher enough today, and the action looks impulsive enough after a correction that I think it's wise to look probably towards that bullish alternate there on the short term. We didn't, one thing that really puzzles me is we didn't get anywhere near, let's say, a standard second wave. That second wave in blue there, I was expecting probably to fall below 65.60 at the 50% retracement level there. I've got the alternate count down there, but maybe an expanded flat will do that. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. If the main count here is correct, then we'll hold above 67 and we'll run higher in wave 3. Okay, so move on. We've got 4-hour S&P here. Obviously the pattern is terminal. I have switched again. You guys on the nightly update know that we are on a standard 5-wave impulse wave off the wave 4 low. So this wave 5 in blue here is tracing out a 1, 2 extension in wave 3, 4, and 5. So wave 5 is coming in quite towards the end of its, let's say, possible pattern. You can see here we've got the Elliott channel, and the Elliott channel is showing you we're right at that terminal upper edge there. Interestingly, the other week I was pointing out that 55, 53 level, and how the kind of harmonics of Fibonacci were working out to point out 55, 53. It's not quite the same now working on this impulse wave, but I think the pattern report, the price is looking still quite interesting. We are holding out towards that level. Uh, Also interesting is the idea here of extending the wave one. If you've got wave one of five, here's wave one of wave five in green. So you can hear this wave four. Excuse me, this is the wave four low in green. So all of this rally here is wave five of green, wave five in green. If we take wave one and we extend it from the wave two low, we get the 261.8% extension right now. So we are sitting at that more or less right now, which also comes in just below 45.53. So suffice to say, I'm prick up my ears and taking notice again. So on the hourly count, you can see here's this final fifth wave. We've just pipped, well, it's ever so slightly. I suppose you could call it flat, basically, at this week's highs. This fifth wave here is still most likely the final fifth of wave five in pink. So it looks like we might have a fourth wave. Maybe it's a running flat correction fourth wave, and then this pop higher today is wave five of five of five of five. So we'll see. This actual pattern that I'm working in here is a little bit further along than the Dow. So we'll see how that goes. All right, let's move on. Got the pattern in silver. Silver just doesn't seem to be, let's say, tip its hat towards the impulsive side just yet, as gold is quite rightly doing. We can see the main count here in silver is that this whole move sideways off that real spike low back in early August is actually most likely in my book a fourth wave. I've got that alternate pattern there, so maybe we've got a 1-2, 1-2. Even if that's the case, we should see a decline back towards $23 again in a second wave alternate, and then we'll rally. But if we break 22.86, then we're on for a fifth wave down. So we'll see how that goes. That's it. That's the nightly up. Or no, it's the Thursday update. Again, I apologize for tonight's update to all your website members. I will be updating the charts as usual, and I might have time to embellish or to elaborate a little bit in the comments of each chart, but it's not going to be as I just won't have the time to do it tonight. Forgive me. So I pray you're all well. Take a look at that chart there. I end the video with this every week. God knows everybody's probably switched off by now, but hey, it's on my heart. If you get to Jesus, you'll be fine. No matter what happens with the markets or with the economy or with the social societal breakdown that's happening right now. Things are getting biblical, so it's time to get to Jesus. Okay. I don't have any more in me. That's the video update. God bless you all. I pray you're all well. And hey, maybe I'll do a weekend update this week. Hopefully I will. Hopefully things will turn right for what's going on. And then I'll get time this weekend to do a video update. But okay. Have a good night. God bless. And we will see you when we see you. Bye-bye. See the website members tonight for the chart update as usual. Okay. See ya.